Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace formal training or clinical supervision. Procedures should be performed by appropriately trained professionals. Informed consent was obtained from the patient and relatives. No identifiable information is shown. Any such details are blurred. The creator accepts no responsibility for outcomes from use or misuse of this content.
Okay, so this is Dr. P. So today we are trying to put on subclavian central venous access. So we want to try subclavian first. I think sometimes because of hydration status, we may not be able to get subclavian. Mama Bele. Dr. Monse, let's explain the procedure to Mama. Talk fast. Let's not talk to Bele, Mama.
Jọjọ ẹ má máa ṣe orí tá a bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ má máa mú.
Another thing.
You open it from
Open it, you give it to me. Small are very small. Bele, Mama. Bele.
Sorry.
Bele, Mama.
Sorry.
Remove coffee. Lift your hand and push Mama head. It will not pain you again, Mama. Leave her head, don't push her stomach. Dr. Mabisiri. Well, okay. All right, give me that wire. Dr. Modi Siri.
Yes, fun.
Give me that wire.
Not to sterilize.
So this is subclavian venous passes. We can do subclavian, we can do internal jugular vein. But we usually prefer to do subclavian for patients in the ward.
Dr. P encountered resistance while advancing the guide wire during subclavian venous access and appropriately converted to internal jugular access. The resistance was most likely due to suboptimal needle positioning, potentially influenced by patient factors such as obesity. Teaching takeaway: never force a guide wire resistance equals stop and reassess.
Let your friend put on glove and bring the head of the bed down. It's okay. It's okay, I'll close it. Epele, mama. Epele. Epele, mama. Epele. Bring the guy down, please. Little methylated spirit with more methylated spirit with ghost. Dr. Master, the toilet. Bring some more methylated spirit there. Let me clean something small. It's okay. Yeah, bring this in a bit. Oh no. Oh no. Mama? Mama? Yeah, I beg, take it up again. This thing. What you said? What it is? Ah.
Mama, would you?
What the guy do? You're just watching. Hold it tight now so that it won't go inside. It's all right, bro. It's all right. Remove the guy. Remove everything. Ela tá se tudo
The dexterous signal.
Yes. Another thing, like 10 to 10, you put 10 minutes.
That's 13 minutes.
Put 10 minutes of apparent.
Let me see.
Dr. Modi Ferris, why is the apparent?
Okay. Okay, that's that's a meal spoon.
Yes, put 2 minutes in it.
Minimum.
Please, sister, the nurse that was helping us, please come. Help us withdraw like the case.
Like the pen.
Teach them now.
Now,
Yes.
how to flush the
If they keep medication, how they will maintain this line patent. You don't know.
like I'm not going for that. I don't know they will.
Agora. Agora sabe que Baba,